You're a marketing strategist at a grocery chain. Bad Bunny just performed at the Super Bowl, and Latino culture is trending everywhere on TikTok. Your goal? Figure out what people are saying, what's resonating, and how to turn that cultural moment into a campaign for Latin food products. We've already pulled TikTok data using Graphext's Apify integration. Let's open the post's dataset and see how Graphext AI can take us from raw data to a marketing strategy. The moment you open your project, Graphext AI gets to work. See that spinner on the AI button? It's already analyzing your dataset, looking at every column, checking for data quality issues, and figuring out what's worth exploring. That pulse means it's found something. Let's see what it has to say. Without asking a single question, Graphext AI has already spotted data issues. Repost count is all zeros. Media URLs is entirely null and suggests hiding them. But more importantly, it's already proposing what we should do next. Extract topics and sentiment from the video text. Analyze engagement over time, or segment authors by activity. It's giving us a clear starting point. Let's ask it to clean up those columns and run topic and sentiment analysis. We tell it to clean up and analyze. In one step, the AI hides the uninformative columns, sets up topic extraction, aspect-based sentiment, text embeddings, and even a graph layout. 11 new columns ready to compute. It asks if we want to run the project. Let's go. While the pipeline runs, the AI keeps updating the chat with progress, but you don't have to wait. You can keep working. Here we're exploring the raw data, reading the actual TikTok captions, seeing what people posted. You can already get a feel for the content, halftime reactions, fan videos, memes. And as each step completes, new columns start appearing in the table: topics, subtopics, sentiment scores filling in row by row. This is Graphext AI working in the background while you stay in control, exploring it at your own pace, getting familiar with the data before the analysis even finishes. When we check back with the AI, it's already suggesting the next move. Open the network graph to explore the clusters it's building. Let's do that. The AI switches to the graph view, and we can expand every action it takes to see exactly what's happening under the hood. Full transparency, no black box. And just like that, the pipeline finishes and the graph fills in with our data. Now let's use the chat. As a marketing strategist, you want to know, what are people actually saying? The AI queries the data and breaks it down. Over 560 videos are about the halftime show, another 400 about the music and artists, and there's a strong thread around social and cultural impact. Now, as a marketer, you care about engagement. Let's ask which topics are getting the most. Now we go deeper. The dataset spans multiple years, so we ask the AI to focus on this year's Super Bowl. Drill into subtopics and show us engagement, all in one request. The AI built the chart and applied a date filter, but something's off. Only 6 rows matched. Because we can inspect every action the AI takes, we can see the issue. The timestamps it used correspond to 2024, not 2026. So we tell it. We point out the mistake, the AI corrects it, and now we have 618 videos from 2026, over 75% of the dataset. The chart updates instantly, showing which subtopics are driving the most views. This is important. The AI is powerful, but it's not infallible. The transparency tools let you verify and correct in real time. That's a feature, not a flaw. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of asking the AI to filter or count, we ask it to think with us. We tell it our goal, a Latin food marketing campaign, and let it connect the dots with what people are actually talking about. The AI doesn't just search for the word food in the data, it builds a strategy grounded in what's trending. It suggests halftime party recipe videos with empanadas and guacamole, artist fan tie-ins like what Bad Bunny would snack on, UGC dance sand recipe challenges, even ASMR cooking clips tied to the audio trends in the data. It also thinks about distribution, bilingual captions, writing existing hashtags like Bad Bunny and Halftime Show, and short format edits. And then it offers to go further. Extract high engagement examples, filter Spanish language posts, find the best content to model your creative on. It's not just answering, it's proposing the next analysis. In just a few minutes, Graphext AI helped us go from a raw dataset of thousands of TikTok videos to a concrete marketing strategy, all through a conversation. It found data issues before we even asked, ran topic and sentiment analyses, summarized the results, and then helped us think strategically about how to turn cultural moments into a campaign. This is what a proactive AI analyst looks like. It doesn't wait for you to know what to ask. It meets you where you are and helps you get to where you need to go.